So this screencast or this video is in order to explain different types of graphic organizers. And so graphic organizers are basically a way of organizing information, and it could be various types of information. And so today we are going to explain what the Venn diagram is. This is a type of graphic organizer, and it's usually used to compare and contrast two things. So you can use it to organize information on two topics based off of similarities and differences. So if you notice on this screen, we have two big circles. And we could label one of these Pilgrims, and we could label the other one Wampanoags. And so this would be a great way and for you to start gathering and researching information for your essay that you are going to write in the future. And this is just kind of pre-writing. And so what we can do is the part where the circles overlap is the part where you would write anything that they have in common, so any similarities. And then these two parts, this one here and this one here, would represent differences that they have. So for example, let's go to the First Thanksgiving website. And I know Tony already showed you and explained how to explore this website. So say we went to housing, and upon reading about them, it says Pilgrim houses were modeled after the English cottage. So in our Venn diagram, we could write housing, and we know that the left side is Pilgrims, and we could write English cottage. And then for the right side, since it's different, we could go back and look and say, okay, the Wampanoags, they lived in what was called a weedus. And so we would put housing weedus. So this is just a way for you to compare and contrast the similarities and the differences between the Pilgrims and the Wampanoags. And so what we would like you to do is to go through, on this website, to go through housing, clothes, and food, and fill out this Venn diagram according to some of the information that you find in there. And so if you find anything that they have in common, then you can type that in here, or similarities. And you can put whichever one you want on which side. But just know that these are the things that they do not have in common, these two different sides, and this whole spot is the things that they do have in common. Let us